Alright, today we got a 2012 Volkswagen R-Line 2.0. We're going to be doing the rear brakes. And these are the brakes that have the electronic parking brake. This is the parking brake motor right here. First thing we're going to do is pull this caliper off of here. Looks like these are 13s. Yeah, I'm going to grab some tools and I'll be right back. Okay, these caliper bolts here are a 13. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out. I'm going to get this whole assembly out of here. Alright, you can see a better view of the motor. Parking brake motor is back here. What we're going to do, we're going to disconnect that electrical connector, and we're going to take these two Torx bolts out of here, and we're going to compress this piston back in. So I'm going to get all this situated. See if I can get this camera to sit still. I'll be right back. Okay, if anybody is wondering how to get these clips off, these are the same as Audi. What you want to do is you want to push down on this connector, and while you're pushing down on it, take like a pick. You're going to pull this up. You'll hear it click and it'll slide right off. Now here is a better picture of the caliper and the parking brake motor screws. This look to be 240 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off of here and give you a look at what's inside. Okay, I went on ahead and took these bolts out of here, and I stand corrected. These are T30. And there's just two of them. Now we got to separate this part. Let me get this apart. I'll be right back. Now we're also going to be changing the rotors on here, so we need to make sure we get our little set screw out of there, which I've already loosened up. Surprisingly, I didn't have to put any heat to it. And it comes right out. Now on the back, I don't even know if I can get the phone in here, camera in here. There's two bolts back here, one here and one down here. I'm gonna have to crack those loose, and that will release our caliper bracket. When I get this off of here, I'll be right back. And you want to compress this caliper or piston. What I've got is a number 8 on the triple square. We're just going to rotate this clockwise. As we do, turn my piston compressor. See, it's going in nicely. Once it stops or feel it start to get tight, then I twist that back bolt. It's tight now. Go a little more clockwise with it until our piston is depressed. You always want to be careful with these boots too, because the air will get trapped up in there. So as soon as you have it close, what you're going to want to do is take a little pick and go around the edge of the seal very carefully, right inside of here, to release that air. Otherwise, that boot is likely to get jammed up and tear. So what we're going to do is very carefully get in here, lift up on the edge of that boot, try and release that air pressure in there. Alright, I'm going to have to sit this down. I'll be right back. Okay, went ahead and got this caliper bracket off here, and the screws bolts on here are going to be triple square. These are not Torx. This is a size, what is this? This is a 14. This is what your socket will look like. These are from AutoZone. Get a set of these for like, I don't know, 25 bucks. So now, I got the rotor on here. Got my set screw back in place. And what we're going to do is change these clips on the caliper bracket, move up our slides, make sure there's no rust built up back behind these clips, that will cause the pads to bind. So we're going to get all of this cleaned up, and I'll be back. Okay, go ahead and put our caliper bracket on. Got our pads in. Now we're going to reinstall the parking brake motor. It'll only go on there one way. It won't fit if you try and put it on the other way. So there's no possible way that you can screw this up. Put that on there and stick your 2 bolts back in there. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in there. Caliper is back on. And one thing I did want to mention here, when you go to take these caliper screws out, this inner part here will probably want to turn. This is a 15 millimeter. Chances are you're not going to be able to get a 15 millimeter wrench in there because it is limited space and the wrench is probably going to be too wide. So what I have opted to do is take an old 15 millimeter and I ground it down so that the end is skinnier and it will fit right in there, no problem. You can hold that, twist your nut, twist your bolts out. Alright, so that about concludes this. We're going to stick our wheel back on here. Oh, and to reset these parking brakes, once I get the wheel back on here and do the other side, what I'm going to have to do is go inside and initialize the parking brake 2 or 3 times to make sure that that pushes the pads back out into position. And that should be about it. If this helps you out any, hit the like, hit the subscribe. See you on the next one.